In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Calendar for task management. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Using Google Calendar as a tool for task management is an excellent choice. You can use it primarily through its seamless integration with Google Tasks. So if you visit the application or even a website, you can switch from Google Calendar to Google Tasks. It is essentially the same thing. You can use Google Calendar for your tasks, so if you are more familiar with this interface, you can theoretically do your tasks here. You will add them as an event, you give it a title, so for example, clean the dishes. You can set the dates, you can make it repeat every single day, every single week, and so on, and then the task will be here. When the time comes, you will get a notification if you set one, for example, 30 minutes before, and then you just complete it. But the Google Tasks interface will help you take off tasks that you have already done. So when you switch over to the Google Tasks menu, you can create new ones. So I'm just naming these random examples to make it easier to showcase. When you create a task, it appears on this list. You can click and hold or tap and hold if you are on mobile and drag it around. So you can set them up by priority, by date, whatever you prefer. So you can put the most important ones at the top. Once you complete one of these tasks, click this check mark at the left, and it is going to vanish from this list. You can undo this if you did it by accident. You can give it a star if it is a very important task, and you can click on these three dots. You can add subtasks, delete, see which list it is assigned to, and if you add subtasks, you will be able to do multiple things inside of this one task here. You can add as many as you need. So I'm going to create these two examples inside of this one, and then you can take them off individually. So let's say this is a big project and there are many parts that must be done. You can add all of the parts here, and once all of the parts have been done, then you can take all of the project off. You can edit these at any time, and they will go over to the completed menu here. If you click on a task or if you create a new one, you can also make it repeat. So if there is something that you must do every single day, you just add the task here, and then you choose the repeat option. You can make it repeat daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly. You can assign a specific time of the day and when it starts. You can also set up an end date. And you can create custom lists. So let's say you are studying, so you can assign one for your university, you can assign one for your home, and all of them will appear here. So you can assign tasks that must be done at home, such as cleaning the dishes, cleaning your bedroom. You assign all of them to this specific list, and then on university, you can assign study, attend class, and so on. All of these will be separated, and when you go over to Google Calendar, they will actually appear. So I have this task here, example 2, and it does appear on Saturday the 27th. It will repeat because I set it up to repeat every single day on the 27th. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to the channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.